If you are wondering if you can play PUBG on a Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer is yes, although as you can see, the frame rate could be definitely better. Right now I have 40 FPS while just casually playing. Of course, I can show you the graphics settings that we get, and these are all the default settings that we get on this phone, so of course we can always try to improve it. I mean, we can improve the FPS by changing graphics settings. So over here, the combat is, in the case of combat, the graphics are set to balanced and the frame rate is set to ultra. We can of course switch to customize in order to try to find more options. Of course, we can switch to like, for example, smooth graphics instead, and we can use ultra frame rate, for example, and let's apply and let's see if that actually helps. So there we go. In this case, still, I have like 40 frames per second at most, but it doesn't feel too bad. So depending on what you expect, if you expect to have 60 frames per second, you might need to actually make some further adjustments. I also have the performance mode enabled, so I'm not sure why the performance mode cannot really handle that. But yeah, this is how it looks like on this phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.